Hi everyone! Today I'll be walking you through the GSTR2 reconciliation process using our advanced solution. Reconciliation is vital for GST compliance, ensuring businesses align purchase records with GSTR2A and 2B data to spot discrepancies. Our solution streamlines GST reconciliation with automated data fetching, intelligent matching, and an intuitive interface. The demo will showcase resolving mismatches, vendor communication, and seamless ITC claims while ensuring GST compliance. Let's get started and see how this process becomes effortless with our tool. Our GSTR2B reconciliation is provided as an add-on to the backend ERP system. The user may enter business place to execute the reconciliation. Then the user inputs executes the program. The program compares the GSTR2B data from the GST portal and identifies any mismatches. Each document is compared with CTIN or invoice number. The program compares GSTR2B invoice number to the number entered to eliminate any errors. Here the user can see assessable value, GST rate, GST amount, and other details. User can also define a tolerance limit for assessable values and tax amounts to avoid errors. The program also identifies correct vendor code in ERP system and supplier's GSTN. Items already processed are flagged by the program and displayed in the report. The program also supports matching of all document types. The program also offers multiple views from same screen. Let's see a predefined summary view of matches unmatched items. Here we see total value of matched unmatched items. The green icon represents that the items are matched. The yellow icon represents the items available in GSTR2B but not posted in ERP. The red icon represents items which are unmatched. The first step for the user is to process matched items. In this screen, we can see the matching items within permissible limit. Let's take a look at this invoice. The user can set appropriate filter in order to limit matched items. Here is an example of user setting a limit. And the user restricts the selection of the green icon. Here we see control totals to be verified before mass processing. The user can select one or multiple documents for processing. The user can also flag selected items to accept or reject according to GST provisions. For accepted items, user can identify the period. From here, user can choose the specific period for input. The user then confirms the selection. Here, user can identify items which are not eligible for input credits. The user can then enter a short remark against each line items and then click on check. Once the processing is complete, the user has to confirm their action. After completing the processing, the user can check the matched items manually too. Here the user can select a predefined view to select items. Here we can see a summary list of suppliers to reduce any errors. The user can expand and check the supplier details. For example, here we can see a supplier has reported taxes as IGST, but it is booked as CGST and SGST in ERP system. The user can see a detailed display of ERP document posting for confirmation. The user can verify that the posting was incorrect here with CGST and SGST accounts. Let's check for another document, which shows there's a mismatch of the amounts. The user has the option to report this from the same screen as an action and send the email directly to the supplier. The user can also use their discretion or post a debit post to the supplier, which protects potential revenue or block the payment for a particular invoice. Typically, the items which show 0 shows that the vendor has not filed for the GST return. We can filter such items and perform mass processing of the items and send a mail directly. We can export the entire list in MS Excel. Here we see the list in Excel format. User can then select the format and save it. User can also email it within the screen to an external or an internal user with a note.